Dear friends, DIY party favor boxes are a fun and personalized way to thank guests for attending a special occasion. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, or baby shower, party favor boxes can be customized to fit any theme or color scheme. Creating your own party favor boxes is also a cost effective way to add a personal touch to your events. One of the benefits of DIY party favor boxes is that they can be customized to fit any party theme. For example, if you are throwing a unicorn themed birthday party, you can create party favor boxes in the shape of unicorn filled with colorful candies and small toys. Alternatively, for a rustic wedding, you can create favor boxes using craft paper and twine filled with homemade jams or honey. Another benefit of DIY party favor boxes is that they can be made using a variety of material. This allows for endless creativity and customization. For example, party favor boxes can be made using paper, cardboard, fabric, or even wood. The possibility for customization are endless, and the material used can be easily sourced from craft stores or online retailers. Creating your own party favor boxes can also be a fun activity for the party host and their guests. This can be particularly fun for children parties where kids can get creative and design their own party favor boxes to take home. It can also be a great way to involve guests in the party planning process as they can contribute to the creation of the party favors. Overall, DIY party favor boxes are a fun and personalized way to thank guests for attending a special occasion. They can be customized to fit any theme or color scheme and can be made using a variety of material. Creating your own party favor boxes is also a cost effective way to add a personal touch to your event and can be a fun activity for party guests. So, dear friends, if you like our ideas, click the like button and subscribe our channel.